This is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today we would like to show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first of all, if we launch the settings, enter the display category and expand the available options for the screen timeout, we'll be clearly able to see that the highest we can go by the default means of the system is only 30 minutes. Thus, if we would like to set this value to never, we are going to use the free Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let's launch the Play Store. At the search bar for Google Play app, type in Caffeine. That is exactly the application that we were looking for. At the application page, tap on this green install button and wait for the Caffeine to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can launch it, and all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, and that will, effectively mean that as long as the Caffeine application is active and running, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in idle status. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.